Hi there. As a real estate investor, what do we want from our tenants? Good tenants who pay rent on time, tenants who want to sign longer leases, tenants who are okay with inflation and rent increases each year? If you want to know how solar can help you with all of these and make more money, then let me show you. Solar is going to be one of the biggest wealth transfers for smart investors moving forward in real estate investing. You may already be an investor or landlord who has been asked to install a solar system by your tenant. Well, then let me show you how it's a win-win for everyone. Or click the link below to be emailed the document. Hi, my name is Jacob and I'm going to explain to you how Pay-As-You-Go Solar benefits you as a landlord and the ways it will impact your returns as an investor. The biggest concerns we have had from landlords is, what is in it for me? If something goes wrong, then it's just another cost and expense. And it's just going to cost me if something goes wrong. The tenant is the one who gets all the benefits. Well, Pay-As-You-Go Solar takes away all of this risk for you as a landlord and offers you a lot more in return. The simplest way to think about Pay-As-You-Go Solar is we want to rent your roof space and sell the energy to your tenants. Your tenant will receive two bills, one from the energy they buy from the grid and one that they pay for the solar they use. Pay-As-You-Go Solar owns and manages the whole process for you under a managed contract, so you will have no risk over the contracted period. The benefit you receive as a landlord is that you will have a happier tenant because solar will save them a minimum percentage off their energy bills, and depending on how the contract is structured, you could receive a monthly benefit for renting your roof space. How do you think your tenant will feel about the CPI rent increases when you've had a solar system installed that will save them over 30% per annum on their energy bills? We also know that with inflation, energy prices are only going to get higher and higher, making it more costly for tenants and for landlords who will have to increase rent to cover inflation costs. At the end of the contracted period, you either own the system and you can take over the billing of the tenant, or you can re-engage our services to handle the billing and maintenance of the system, or we can simply remove it. The great thing about this is that no one is spending any extra money. You are simply taking the current dollars spent on energy and using those funds to cover the cost of having the solar system installed while reducing the costs for the tenants and transferring that extra income back to you as the landlord rather than the tenant's energy company. This has become an industry as it's cheaper to pay a finance company than an energy company due to energy prices rising and borrowing costs decreasing. To find out how you can benefit from Pay-As-You-Go Solar, book a meeting with one of our representatives today.